everyone, it is Tasha and it is Faye. I haven't vlogged anything with you yet.
No, well, you did when you came to visit last time.
Last year, but I mean this time.
No.
If you haven't seen that video, last year I visited Faye for a week and I vlogged all of that. I will link it somewhere in this video so you can watch that. That was quite fun.
That was.
I'm still not confident enough to vlog a lot more, but today
We're doing it.
we're doing something really funny. Well, you do it all the time, you said.
I do it all the time.
The last... Whoa.
Boom!
We've been watching Miranda and it is so funny. And
So funny.
Miranda does this thing where she gallops. and Miranda loves cake. And we want to bake a cake and we're going to get ingredients and we're going to gallop through Tesco. So, see how that goes. If I actually end up vlogging that.
Oh my god. Galloping, galloping, galloping.
So we've decided, since we're gonna bake something, we're not gonna make a cake. We're gonna make, what do you call them, fairy cakes?
Fairy cakes.
Fairy cakes.
Like little cupcakes.
Cupcakes. And they're gonna be book related and they're gonna be so awesome. Let's hope we don't fail.
What is
So
this?
we've already thought of Creepy Hollow cupcakes. You wanted to make a Selena one.
Yeah, I did Selena one.
Oh my god, we could put runes on some. Should we get these?
Yeah,
Okay.
get them.
Something black. Maybe.
There is no black.
We could
Black
use
like my soul.
black icing.
Yeah? So you just shove that on. We could just make... Oh yeah, we'll just get that.
It's really hard.
Yeah, I've got a rolling pin. Oh my god, it is. I don't like that. We can make butter icing though.
Okay.
So we can get black food colouring. Jet black. Jet black.
And go.
You gotta make noise for horsey.
That was fun.
Yeah, bro. It's the gym. And you can gallop everywhere.
We have our fairy cake ingredients.
And I got my baby. She's wearing the dress. Look at the back. She's wearing the dress.
Some dress. The dress, apparently. I haven't read it yet. I finished Crown of Midnight. And me too. And I'm gonna start the Assassin's Blade.
Yeah, you are. You're gonna love you some Sam. I love Sam.
Probably be heartbroken too.
Yeah, you are. Oh, baby! She's so cute. I love her so much.
Oh, that's good lighting. Maybe I should film in here.
Yeah.
Getting ready to bake, and there. And we thought of 12 fandom things to put on our fairy cakes. I like that word, fairy cakes.
Fairy cakes. Like fairy drugs.
Fairy drugs, yes. I'm not gonna reveal what we're gonna put on them yet.
No, that should be a surprise at the end.
Wait till we're decorating. Let's see how that goes. It's gonna be interesting. There we go.
Okay.
It's kind of working. Probably won't be able to see a lot.
That's fine. We've got the important thing, the bowl.
Okay.
Okay, so first off, hold on. I need to get my...
I want to angle it a bit up so we can see your faces maybe. There.
That's my face.
filmed this bit last year, but we baked the cake last year.
Yeah, we did.
And it went a bit horrible. Not horrible.
It went horrible because we put extra olive oil, extra virgin oil, extra virgin olive oil instead of vegetable oil, and it tasted horrible.
And we did like wrong steps at the wrong time, and I can't remember if it was actually good. Did we eat it?
I can't remember.
So after a long TV break, what is it called? Nothing to declare. That was quite interesting. We're back to baking. Well, decorating. We're kind of failing with the icing.
Just a little bit.
Just a little. This is what it looks like. We can't get it quite thick enough. But I've already made or decorated one cupcake. Let's see if this looks. The angelic rune.
Oh, should I get mine out? My angelic rune.
It's not quite pointy enough. My cupcake. Not your tattoo.
I'm saying my tattoo, how dare you? My tattoo is perfect.
We have this popping candy, Pop Rocks, whatever. And they're yellow, but we want them red now, or like pink. So I've added food coloring to it. Let's kind of show it. Probably can't really see, but that's what I'm doing. And Faye is
attempting black in a black bowl. This wasn't the best idea.
black icing.
I think it's going to be a little bit more grey
base. Well, you can add more color.
Yeah.
Well, that looks awesome. Oh my god. This is going to be awesome. Okay, so these are the cupcakes we have so far. White and grey and kind of pinkish. And now we're gonna make yellow frosting. Icing. How do you call it?
Icing.
Okay. And that would be the eye of Elena. It's really bright. You can really... There. And this is my attempt at fairy kisses, but focus. It's not really turning out how I expected.
Yep, same.
I'm gonna keep trying now. So this is my fairy kisses fairy cake. It's supposed to be a mouth, but I don't know. I don't even know what it looks like.
You could try like outlining it.
But the stuff is so runny.
Such fun!
This one is quite simple.
Yeah.
The angelic rune from the Mortal Instruments. Should we go?
This is the lightning bolt from Harry Potter and the scar.
But we are blaming the icing because it was quite runny, as you can see. And this is the
Selena's eye with the blue and then the little ring of yellow.
Yes. And this is
the eye of Elena.
Elena?
I don't know how you say
I don't know. And then here, these are some of my favorites. These three. We have a purple V for Violet and a blue R for Rin and some failed lips with red pop rocks as a fairy kiss.
Because when they kiss it sparkles and then sparks.
Yes. So these two couldn't fail too much, but this one looks a bit blah. Here are the ley lines from the Raven Cycle.
So that's the promise mark from Vampire Academy. It looks like a failed pound sign.
They look quite similar.
Put them next to each other.
Yeah. So okay, and here is the Mockingjay from the Hunger Games. And the reason it's so thick is because I put the wrong nozzle for the... I can't talk.
The icing thing.
Yes.
The piping bag. There we go.
For the piping bag, so it's quite thick, but faces...
I think it looks good.
Meh. Okay, and then my favorite one, the Clockwork Angel. I'm quite surprised that this one turned out so good. I mean, it's quite simple, but...
So it's a lightning bolt!
So these are our favorite fandom cupcakes, fairy cakes.
Yeah. That's gonna be messy with one hand.
Okay, so I'm gonna eat the fairy kisses.
I'm gonna eat the eye of Elena. We didn't do the Hallows one.
Oh no, we didn't have any.
I wonder if I can put this up here.
Okay, so we're gonna try.
Look at my hair!
Oh my god.
What? I bet it's disgusting. I'm so scared.
There's so much icing.
Okay, you ready?
I don't know where to bite. Wait, I want to bite with the Pop Rocks. Okay.
Ready? Oh, so much. I can't even get a bite. It's okay.
My icing tastes a bit weird. Such fun!
Such fun!
So, that was it for this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!